Hello, how are you doing today?
Hi, I am doing very well, thank you.
You are wearing a very bright shirt today.
Yes, I love wearing the color yellow.
Yellow is such a happy and warm color.
It reminds me of the sunshine in summer.
What is your absolute favorite color?
My favorite color is definitely green,
Really? Why do you like green so much?
because green is the color of nature in trees.
Yes, looking at green leaves is very relaxing.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is ocean blue.
Blue is a very calm and peaceful color.
I love looking up at a clear blue sky.
The sky is so beautiful on a sunny day.
Do you wear a lot of green clothes?
No, actually I wear a lot of black clothes.
Black is very easy to match with everything.
Exactly, black is very simple and elegant.
I mostly wear blue and white shirts to work.
White looks very clean and professional.
But white clothes get dirty very easily.
That is true. You have to be careful when eating.
Are there any colors you do not like?
I really do not like the color orange.
Why don't you like orange?
It is too bright and loud for my eyes.
Orange is the color of pumpkins and carrots.
Yes, I like eating them, but I don't wear orange.
I don't really like the color brown.
Brown can be a bit boring sometimes.
Yes, it reminds me of dirty mud.
But chocolate is brown and everyone loves chocolate.
You make a very good point about chocolate.
Do you like the color red?
Red is a very strong and powerful color.
Yes, red is the color of love and hearts.
It is also the color of stop signs and danger.
Red definitely catches your attention quickly.
Women often wear red lipstick to look beautiful.
And red roses are the most romantic flowers.
What color are the walls in your bedroom?
My bedroom walls are painted light gray.
Gray is a very modern and quiet color.
Yes, it helps me fall asleep easily at night.
My bedroom walls are painted light blue.
Blue is the best color for a sleeping room.
It feels like sleeping near the ocean.
What color is your kitchen?
My kitchen has bright yellow walls.
Yellow kitchens make you feel energetic in the morning.
Yes, it matches my morning cup of coffee.
Colors really affect our moods and feelings.
Warm colors like red and yellow make us excited.
And cool colors like blue and green make us calm.
Have you ever dyed your hair a different color?
When I was young, I dyed my hair purple.
Purple hair? That sounds very crazy and fun.
It was fun, but the color faded very fast.
What is your natural hair color?
My natural hair color is dark brown.
My hair is naturally blonde, like yellow gold.
I love blonde hair. It looks very shiny.
I once tried to dye it black, but it looked terrible.
Sometimes it is best to keep our natural colors.
What color are your eyes?
My eyes are dark brown.
My eyes are light green.
Green eyes are very rare and beautiful.
Thank you very much.
Do you have a favorite colorful animal?
I love the bright pink color of a flamingo.
Flamingos are amazing pink birds.
I also love colorful butterflies in the garden.
Butterflies have so many different patterns and colors.
What is your favorite colorful fruit?
I love bright red strawberries.
Strawberries are so sweet and pretty.
I also love eating purple grapes,
Bananas are yellow when they're ripe,
but they are green when they are not ready to eat.
and they turn brown when they get too old.
Colors tell us when food is safe to eat.
Have you ever seen a rainbow after the rain?
Yes, rainbows are absolutely magical.
Do you know all the colors in a rainbow?
Let me see. Red, orange, yellow.
Green, blue, indigo, and violet.
Indigo is a very dark blue, almost purple.
Violet is another word for light purple.
A rainbow has 7 beautiful colors in total.
I loved drawing rainbows when I was a child.
Did you like using crayons or colored pencils?
I loved using a big box of colorful crayons.
Coloring is a very relaxing hobby for kids.
Even adults use coloring books to reduce stress now.
That is true. It's very therapeutic.
Do you prefer silver or gold jewelry?
I usually wear silver rings and necklaces.
Silver looks very modern and clean.
I think gold is a bit too shiny for me.
I wear a gold watch every single day.
Gold looks very warm on your skin.
What color is your car?
I drive a silver car.
Silver cars don't look dirty very quickly.
Exactly. I don't have to wash it every week.
My car is dark red.
Red cars are very sporty and fast.
Yes, but the police notice red cars easily.
You have to be careful and drive slowly.
I always obey the speed limit.
Do you know what the primary colors are?
The primary colors are red, blue, and yellow.
You can mix them to make any other color.
If you mix red and blue, you get purple.
And if you mix blue and yellow, you get green.
Mixing yellow and red makes the color orange.
It's like magic when you mix paints.
White and black are technically not colors.
They are shades, but we call them colors anyway.
Mixing white with red gives you pink.
Pink is a very soft and cute color.
Little girls usually love the color pink.
My niece has a completely pink bedroom.
That must look like a cotton candy dream.
It really does. She loves it.
What color are the shoes you are wearing?
I am wearing classic white sneakers today.
White sneakers match with any outfit.
I have to clean them often to keep them bright.
I am wearing brown leather boots.
Brown leather looks great in the autumn season.
Autumn is the best season for colors.
The tree leaves turn red, orange, and golden yellow.
Walking in an autumn forest is so beautiful.
Winter is mostly just white snow and gray skies.
Yes, winter lacks a lot of color.
But then spring comes with green grass and colorful flowers.
Life is so much better with a lot of colors.
Imagine if the world was only black and white.
That would be a very sad and boring world.
Colors make everything interesting and unique.
Well, my coffee break is almost over.
My black coffee is completely finished.
Let's go back to our desks.
I will stare at my bright computer screen again.
Don't forget to look out the window at the blue sky.
I will take a green break and look at a tree.
Have a great and colorful afternoon.
Thank you. You have a wonderful day too.